Them claiming you in front of everyone is going to change everything. I feel like this individual, whoever you're dealing with, is now or will start to step into their power. They may not be a person that is very emotive in regards to their emotions. It may have had you in your head thinking, am I wasting time? Does this person like me the same way that I like them? But they're going to make it very apparent and very clear about how they feel about you in front of others. And it may not go down well, guys. Or it hasn't gone down well. Please take what resonates. Could be past tense or future tense. Like I said, this individual's not very emotive, but they show how they feel in action. And they're going to make it abundantly clear to people about who they choose. And that's going to lead to you not being in your head, not thinking that you've wasted your time, not thinking that this person was out there doing the most with other people, because they weren't claiming you at a time, or they weren't making it be known that they were interested in you. Now, people make their feelings known in different ways, right? Everyone's got different love languages. Everyone's got different Venus placements. And I will be doing a Venus series on my membership channel, so please look out for that. Don't worry, guys, for those of you that are already with my membership channel, they will be uploaded frequently, these new videos, these new series, right? I was having like technical problems in the past, but anyway, there's going to be an ending to some type of mental conflict that you had in your head. You know, maybe this person's action or lack of action was making you doubt yourself, was triggering your insecurities, unfortunately, maybe triggering your father wounds, maybe triggering your mother wounds. Maybe you started to feel like you're not good enough and you held back, you held back. And I feel like maybe some of you were intimate with this person and you may have felt, oh my days, only because I got intimate with them, I'm not getting the commitment now, or what are they thinking about me, or something like this. Or maybe you held back in regards to intimacy. And some people were trying to throw their smegs your energy at this person, maybe for some of you. And maybe you thought, oh, maybe this is what they want, because they're not committing to me and they're talking to that person. So that means that they probably like that person. Or you just thought this in your head. You were thinking that they were out there doing the most. It may not have been a situation like that, but that's getting cut off. Those types of thoughts are being cut off. You're going to gain clarity. This person's going to speak their truth, and they're going to speak their truth in front of people. A lot of people that are judgmental and that have been very judgmental about you or this person liking you. This person's going to initiate you in front of everyone. This could be family members. This could be people that have romantic or smeg your feelings for them. They're going to big you up. They're going to pay you a compliment. They're going to ice everyone out that are surrounding them and focus on you. They're going to make other people know that you're not important to me. He is or she is. They're going to talk highly of you, sing your praises, gloat about you, show off about you. It's going to be highly visible to everyone around that this person is taken in by you. That they are a fan, yeah, but they fancy you. They just see you as the best thing ever. And some people are going to be angry because they're going to be thinking, oh my days, they're going to get their hands on the money. I don't know what people are thinking in their head, but some people may feel to themselves that this person dating you is a wrong move, because they could see this person as someone that is very established. Some people think this person's rich, and they may feel like you are trying to align with this individual to get your hands on their money, not knowing that collectively yourself and this person could create generational wealth together, or you have your own generational wealth, or you're working on that. because this person could be in the public eye. A lot of people like this person. A lot of people vie for this person's attention. A lot of people throw themselves at this individual. People from the same gender, people from the opposite gender. This person is in high demand. But this person is going to mention you. They're going to tell people, that's my woman for some of you. They're going to be very clear. They're going to make it very clear to people who the highest is in the room, literally. Who the highest is. If you want to get past me, if you want to ask me anything, ask my partner, ask my wife, ask my husband. People be like, huh? You are married? They could just be using that as a nickname. Or they might say, ask my partner, ask my girl. Oh, I can't talk to you because I'm in a relationship. With who? With him. Didn't you know? What? There's something that they're going to do that is going to, like, shock people to the core. And people are going to see, or be forced to see you in a new light. Like, all that time you were dating him. All that time you were dating her. All that time you guys were engaged. What? Or, oh, it's confirmed now. Without a shadow of a doubt, it's confirmed. Even if they don't say those words, because some people like to be private with the judgment card here, with that plutonic energy. Pluto does rule secrets as well. Well, it's got that secretive energy, like the lower vibration of Scorpio, right? Very strategic. And it's like, it's going to be confirmed by their mannerisms, by the way they look at you, by the way they talk about you, always talking about you, always singing your praises, lighting up whenever you come around, fanning over you. And people are like, what is going on? I've never seen this person behave like this before. Like, what? Yeah. Treating you different from the way they treat their own fans, because they've got a lot of fans, right? And people will be thinking, that person just has quick conversations with me, whereas with you, my butterflies, you capture their attention. They are engaged in whatever you have to say. They take on whatever you have to say. You have a lot of power here. Yeah. These people will be feeling like, what type of power have you got? That's not fair. I thought that they were someone that this person wouldn't date, or what? Some people will feel like this person that you're connected to is a fool. Is a fool for aligning with you, engaging with you. But you and this person are, I'm hearing cosmic partners. Like, you both could be considered star seeds with the star card. You come from the same soul tribe. So on paper, it may not be to people's understanding why you are friends or why you are in a relationship, because you could look different. There's a huge contrast between the two of you, but you have the same morals. You're both like very eccentric. You're both original in your own way of expressing yourself. You both have this actual futuristic approach. You both embrace difference. You both don't try and fit into a clique, a crew, and people are going to feel like they have nothing to compete with. It's going to bring up a lot of people's fears to the point where they're going to get extremely territorial. And I'm hearing the word quite ruthless. They ain't going to touch you because you're being protected by spirit with the 7 of Wands. But I feel the number 7 could be of importance. You got a lot of spiritual backing, a lot of spiritual protection. 7 rules the planet and the sign Pisces and Neptune. Well, I should have said Neptune first. And rules Pisces. And that's about magic, spirituality, dreams, illusions. You got a lot of spiritual protection and backing. And something's gonna backfire. Like, these people are gonna have to rethink their actions. You know, there may have been projections onto you. Maybe they tried to gossip about you to this person, and they're gonna start feeling like a fool. Like, they thought they were getting somewhere with the gossip, with trying to alter your way of being to whoever they, you know, were trying to get close to. And because this person's going to initiate you, maybe they're going to choose you. They're going to choose you in front of these people, whoever these people are. Like, this is a person I choose. They may, you know, declare that you two are together, or they may go somewhere prestigious and go with you. And whoever's been trying to gossip about you or trying to manipulate this person into thinking of you in the way that they think about you, they're going to feel like a fool. They're going to think to themselves, all that time I was trying to badmouth this person, and this person and them are close. They didn't know that you and another person were as close as you are, because there could be some type of engagement, or, you know, like I said, there's going to be a realization that you and another person are tight, like brothers, like sisters, and they're going to feel like a clown. Because maybe the person who you're connected with was open to listening. Because remember, they just treat people fairly. So they just listened to what this person had to say, and this person was proper cussing you out, trying to get this person to, you know, look down on you. They were just they were just ruthless. And it was a form of magic. They were trying to manipulate whoever, and you being initiated is going to come to some type of embarrassment, some type of mental collapse, like, oh my days. And they're going to be waiting. There's something about them waiting and watching you and another person move forward towards something, and just waiting for things to go back to how they used to be, wanting to hear that it's a joke, it's not true, or them just being left behind. This is about them being left behind, right? And this individual is going to claim you in front of people by them changing their ways of being. Like, people may be used to this person being all jovial and playful and all the rest of it, but now that you're in the picture, people are going to start noticing the change, that this person's maturing. This person's like really taking themselves more seriously. Not to say they weren't before, but I don't really think they were. Or they could be acting more playful and jovial because of you. Or for some of you, they could be like acting like a taken person. You know, I'm hearing access. Yeah, they were access free. They were letting any and everyone come in their energy. Entertaining people. If people fancy them, it was blurred lines. People weren't sure if that person liked them or not, because there was no boundaries. I'm not saying they did actively flirt with people, but there was no blurred lines in their friendships. You know, just being overly available, easily accessible, and it just created a lot of confusion for people. But now this person's being very boundaried. They're very steady in themselves. They have changed. They are isolating people out. And this is confirmation again that it's because of you. This person could be talking about marriage. This person is being very serious. I don't know how to be. I feel like they're being serious by distancing themselves from people because of you. Like, once they're locked in, like, it's very hard for them to change their mind. Like, they've made up their mind and they want to commit. Yeah, for some of you, they want to be your spouse. For some of you, how this person has or will make it clear to other people that you ain't no joke. How they feel for you ain't joke is by proposing or marrying you. Yeah, and they ain't changing their mind. And people are going to be confused, still searching for their light, still searching for how they used to be. Maybe they had control over this person. No more. That's done. This person's going to be creating boundaries with people. And yeah, they could have been very frivolous in the past with their playfulness, entertaining the wrong people, giving the wrong people power, associating with the wrong types of people. These are the people that are going to be angry. People that benefited from being around this person's energy and finding that they can't influence this person anymore. You know, influence this person from moving away from you, because maybe they thought because you're different. This is my Sagittarius card. This is the Sagittarius card. Sagittarius rules the ninth house. Ninth house talks about spirituality, philosophy, higher learning, travel, and foreign lands. You could be seen as different because you come from a different part of the world. So some people thought they would never date that person. Some people thought that you like them more than they like you, only to find that it's equal. You're a match. And people are going to be like, what? People thought they had something over you. People thought, I'm the cat that got the cream. People may have thought that you valued this person. You had feelings for this person. But because this person wasn't showing everyone, because it's all about timing. Because this person could be quite private. And because these individuals didn't see anything from their side, they just thought, oh, you like them. Okay, I'm friends with them, or I've got a good chance of dating them, or yeah, it's that type of thing. You like them, but I've got access to them all the time. I can call them all the time. I can ask them to hang out and they'll be here. You like them and they don't like you. In their head, they thought they don't like you because of their prejudice, only to find that this person sees you as the sun. You are the brightest thing in their life ever, for some of you. And for some of you, this person, how they're going to show people is by you expecting a child, you having a child. That's going to be confirmation alone. You know? And some people are going to be like, I'm hearing especially family members, but some people are going to be like, I didn't even know you were dating. I didn't even think about, but they're going to be looking back and thinking, hold on a minute, it does make sense, because when I tried to text them, the access that I had before, it started to lessen. For some of you, this person's going to start blocking people, stop answering their calls, leaving them on red. I'm looking at the 8 of Wands, it's red wands, leaving them on red. So even if it doesn't come immediate to some people as to why things have changed, it will come after. And these people will try and refuse to heal. For some of you, some people will be left seething, you know, literally going through some type of mental collapse, trying to work out, how didn't I catch that? When did this happen? Oh my days. So that means that I need to respect you. Oh my day. Like, it's going to be like shame, humiliation, embarrassment. I can't be around you. I've spoke bad about you to the person that you're closest to. Oh my goodness, I got to get away from you. It's going to be something like that. Got to get away from the person that they spoke bad to you about, because it's going to be like whoever. Oh my days, it was like a humbling experience. It's be like, all that time you were close, so you probably told them what I said. It's that type of thing, and it's like, so all that time they were your type, and it's going to make people look at this person differently. Like, so I was wasting my time trying to date you. So you never looked at me in that way. So you need to tell me that all that time, that was your true